In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Fresha link with this full 2025 guide. This is your go-to tutorial for all things related to accessing your Fresha booking link. So whether you're new to the platform or simply looking for a refresher, you're in the right place. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Fresha website. The URL is fresha.com, where you can instantly book salons and spas nearby. This is your starting point in gaining access to all the tools you need. Once the website has loaded, it's time to access your account. From there, click on the highlight section to move forward. This will guide you to the next step where you'll find yourself on the login page. If you see an option for continue with Google, go ahead and select it. Using your Google account can make the login process quick and seamless, avoiding any need to remember additional Fresha specific credentials. Upon successful login, you'll land on your calendar page. From here, once again, click on the highlighted section to open up your business options. This will take you directly to the link building section of your Fresha dashboard. Now, this is where it starts to get exciting because you are moments away from having your shareable booking link. Locate and click on Link Builder. This tool is specifically designed to help you create unique links for your clients, and it plays a crucial role in boosting your online appointments. Next, you'll see an option that says Create Link. Go ahead and click on that. Well, this option allows you to generate a new customized link that you can send directly to clients or incorporate into your marketing materials. With that done, you should see another prompt to create link. Yes, this is the second step, and hitting it will finalize your link creation process. The system will automatically generate a ready-to-use booking link tailored to your services and offerings. Once your link is generated, a message will highlight that says your link is ready. Click on that to access the specific details of your freshly created booking link. This will present you with the address that you can start sharing right away. After confirming that your link is ready, you may see another highlight option. Click on it to ensure you are viewing the most updated version of your link. Always double check these last few steps. It ensures your link is fully functional and precisely how you want it. You're now equipped with your very own Fresha link ready for bookings. This easy process will facilitate more client appointments and streamline your business operations. Keep utilizing your Fresha link to grow your client base and enhance your service accessibility. Thank you for tuning in, and happy bookings!